I'll be reviewing the Lush Hair Deep Conditioner. Yes, you heard me. I got to use this product and I'll be telling you the pro and con, all you need to know about the Lush Hair Deep Conditioner. So if you want to know more about this, do not click away. Make sure you click the like button of this video, and without further ado guys, let's get right into the video.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top.
Yo, no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss, man, I always stay up. Don't let them see you, bitch, always have a plan to stay tough. This life ahead of you ain't easy, it was built to be rough. But that's what makes a personality, is tragedy, bruh. So keep your head on your shoulders. Now we ain't out here moving rocks, we out here moving boulders. Now we ain't getting posterized, we out here making posters. And we ain't got nothing to hide, we move forward.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity.
This is the Lush Hair Deep Conditioner, and let's talk about this product. Okay, this product has been in the market for quite a while. I know I'm sort of late in doing this review, but guys, the truth is I'm using this product. I just have not done the review, but I'm just like, oh my god, I feel somehow I should have done the review for my people here on YouTube. So I'm sorry, I'm just getting to do this, but let's get right into it. Okay, so I can tell you all the pros, all the cons you need to know about this product. So let's get right into it. And the first thing we'll be talking about is the packaging of this product. Yes, let's talk about the packaging of their product. This is the deep conditioner, and guys, let me tell you something. When I got this product, this was not what I was intending to buy. I was looking for the leave-in conditioner, and I just picked this off the the shelf of the market where I buy things, and I like, oh my god. It was when I even got home that I realized that I got in the deep conditioner and not the leave-in conditioner. So yes, it is packaged in this format, but there's not a lot of big difference between the way their leave-in conditioner is packaged, and it's quite confusing. I have still not been able to lay hold of their leave-in conditioner, but it's in the market. I just have not bought it for myself for my own personal use, because maybe I have other leave-in, but I'll try that out and also come give you guys a review of that. But yes, this is how the packaging is. Pink cover, lush color, white and pink, basically, with a little bit of gold. But that's how it is. And I think when I do the review of their leave-in products, I will try to then state the differences between the packaging of both. But yeah, this is what we have here. Also, let's talk about the sizing of this product. The product is sized as 250 gram. That's what's written on the body. It's a 250 gram container, deep conditioner. And yes, with 250, how many times would you say you can use this? Depending on how often you deep condition your hair and how much you use on your hair strand, also how full your hair is. For me, I could use this like 3 to 4 times and I'm good for my hair. 3 to 4 times and I'll be good with it. So there is that with a 250 gram. Just take that note of that. Also, let's talk about the color of the deep conditioner. A lot of the conditioner comes in like different colors, and all this comes in white. Okay, yes, white. Yes guys, I've almost finished it. It comes in white. I'm going to talk about the smell soon. It comes in white, and you can also see the consistency of it. It's not so liquidy, and it's not so it's not so liquidy, and it's not so so thick. It's just the right consistency that you need for a deep conditioner. So yeah, it comes in white, to note that. Now let's talk about the smell, because you can already see me already smelling this product. I love the smell. Oh my god, guys, seeing a deep conditioner that has good smell, it's rare. You see leave-in conditioners with amazing smell, and sometimes you don't get that with deep conditioner. So I've heard that Lush Hair got to do that with their deep conditioner, because the smell is nice. I can't even lie. The smell, the scent of this product is really nice, and I like when certain hair products that will stay in your hair for a long period of time, when it gets to have good smell, it's really nice, because it just helps your process of waiting long while the product needs to sit in your hair. Guys, with deep treatments, deep conditioner, you have to sit for a minimum of 20 minutes, and or sometimes you can sit up to an hour. If you don't have like a steamer in your house, you might just have to wrap your hair for an hour thereabout. So you know that while you are sitting for that long, you want to be able to be smelling nice, like be feeling good, because the truth is, smell makes us feel good. Like it improves our mood, and also when a product smells nice, it just makes you really feel good about yourself in that moment. And it's really nice that Lush Hair got that with their deep conditioner. Thank you, Lush Hair. Also, I want to also know something that I really loved with what Lush Hair did with their deep conditioner, which is there's an instruction that is written on it, that if you pick up this product and you're like, oh, let me see if it's a deep conditioner, your eye should then see rinse me out. And I love this for Lush Hair. And reason being that I know before we mostly had just Profective having their leave-in and the deep conditioner, and a lot of people usually buy Profective deep conditioner and think it was the leave-in conditioner and use it as a leave-in conditioner. So people would apply deep conditioner on their hair without raising it out. Then they complain that, oh my god, my hair starts breaking and all, because yes, as much as deep conditioner helps our hair to stop breaking and all, but overusing it, leaving it long on your hair when it's not supposed to be, can also weaken your hair strand. That'll be overload of nutrients on your hair strand, and yes, it might cause your hair to break off. Again, there's always balance to things. So I like the fact that Lush Hair actually wrote it, rinse me out, which means when you apply this product, it's not to sit on your hair forever. Nope. It's not to what? It's not to sit on your hair forever. Apply it and wash it off. 15-20 minutes, you wash it off. If you do not have a steamer, a hooded steamer in your house, yes, you can sit like 40 minutes to an hour. An hour might even be a stretch, but maybe let's just say, everywhere it's not hot. Like you can see that the steam has not really entered your hair strand, but 1 hour self is still a stretch. But please, so you should not pass 1 hour, and make sure you do what? You wash it off. Don't say you are applying this thing overnight. Overnight of you sleeping is like, minimum people sleep maybe like 4 hours, 5 hours. That's a lot. Do not leave this in your hair for that long and all. So please remember to rinse me out. I like this instruction as written on it. There are other directions written on the body as well, which I really like, because one thing I like about direction written on a product, like directions that make sense, that a new beginner who doesn't know how to do this process can buy this product, read the direction, and use it by themselves. I love it when products like this indicate clear-cut directions on their products. Now lastly, let me talk about my experience using this product. Okay, so my experience using this product was absolutely a lovely experience. I got to use it on my hair, and guys, let me not even lie, I'm using it on my hair as well as on wigs. Yes, I've been using it on wigs. And one thing I noticed, let me talk about when I use it on my hair. When I use it on my hair, I noticed my hair actually felt really soft. Okay, yes, my hair was soft. Now I didn't know if it's this or the relaxer that I use, but I want to give it to Lush Hair, that it should be Lush Hair, because apart from using it on my hair, I've used it on wigs as well, and I see the difference. I see the work it does on wigs, so I know that it is this product. makes your hair soft and all. Like you really feel like your hair really, like it really gives in that treatment that your hair needs. And you guys, you know, because with Lush Hair, even with their relaxer, they have it infused with rubious, amala, and hibiscus oil. These are all various oil that if you do hot oil treatment, that's amazing. So now having all these oils mixed, and you now have a deep treatment, a deep conditioner, of course your hair will be soft by the time you are done with the process. So I like that. My hair was soft when I was done with the process. It was shining as well. It was such a very pleasant experience using this. Will I be using it again? Absolutely. In fact, guys, I'm almost done with the product. Let's not even lie, I'm almost done with this product. I'll clearly be using it. I have other deep conditioner that I use, but right now this might actually steal my heart. And I like because of the fact that it's infused with like 3 oils. Like with your other leave-in conditioner, deep conditioner, sometimes I have to like mix oils in it and all, but with this you can just use it without having to mix oil because they've already mixed all the oil in it. So it's quite such a pleasant experience. And guys, that's my experience about using the Lush Hair Deep Conditioner. Let me know what you think. Let me know if this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button of this video. It is free. Just click it. It's for me to know that it signifies that you like the video, and it signifies to YouTube that people actually are finding this video helpful. So thank you. Click the like button of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Also make sure to share this video with your friends, with your loved ones that are looking for a review to know if they'll buy this product or not. Share it with them, let them watch it and pick 1 or 2 lessons from it as well to make their decision very easy for them to make. But that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one, guys. To have an amazing one. Bye.